These are spy clash frames, and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace both lenses. Now, to remove the lens, you need to pull outward on the top portion of the frame while pushing downward on the inside of the lens itself, like so. Now there may be some resistance, but you can use some force. Again, pull outward while pushing downward on the inside of the lens. Next step in replacing or reinstalling your lenses is to take each individual lens and place the far edge of it into the grooves on the far side of your frame. You just line it up and slide it into place and push the remaining portion back into their spot. There should be a loud pop to indicate that it is secure. Again, far side into the far grooves. You line it up and slide and then push. And you're done.